Good day, everyone. Welcome to our volleyball sports vlog. Enjoy watching.
First is toss, a method to pass a ball using just fingers. Second is stick, a pass of a hard-driven ball from the other player. Next is block. Player jump with two hands and block the ball from coming onto their side. Last is the two types of serving. Underhand. Player swing one hand in arc motion. Overhand. Player tosses the ball with one hand and strike it in the air. Volleyball is more than a sport. It is a way of life. Your team becomes your family. The ball becomes your best friend. The court becomes your home. And the game becomes your life. Success is how high you bounce when you hit the bottom. Every game is an opportunity to measure yourself against your own potential.